Stop. You can keep scrolling, waste your day, or you can pay attention to the rest of this presentation and really have a massive impact on your business. When I worked in corporate, we always were chasing, quote, best practices. But a lot of times these best practices were outdated and rarely were they challenged. So I never believed that those 40-hour waterboarding workshops actually delivered results. I hated them. I recognized that people actually needed only small amounts, 2 to 3 hours worth of content. They needed a chance to process that content and then test what they learned. Now, I believe this over 26 years ago. But what I discovered when I was working in corporate was that most bosses just wanted to put a check in the box. They wanted to say that they sent people to training and that they used their training budget. They weren't really concerned that people actually got all the content. And then what they really love to do is say, well, I sent you to training. Why don't you know how to do that? I don't know, because I'm not in the matrix. That's why, because I'm not in the matrix and I don't learn like that. I actually need to learn it, use a little bit of it, make sure I understand it, go to the next level, right? And so I did not believe that the way that they were doing it worked. So Firebrand is built on the belief that we do not waterboard our clients with content. We do not do that. We deliver small 90-minute programs. And then what we do is we say, hey, take this and go and learn it and do this part and then come back. And then we do the next part. So everything builds upon everything else. We give people specific business building activities, not busy work. It's something that has an immediate impact in their business. See, we leverage our belief to challenge the status quo, and then we deliver something better. We leverage our experience building 7-figure businesses and a $250 million tech consultancy. We leverage our experience helping our clients get to 6-figure months. We leverage our methodology to all but guarantee the success of our clients. We consistently challenge our own best practices. But now check this out. Our expertise and your expertise actually has nothing to do with your client. Nothing at all. I know. Pause, breathe. It's okay. Your expertise lives outside of your client. You can take your expertise and apply it to whomever you want. Your ideal client just happens to be the person you apply your expertise to. So when you start thinking about your expertise, I want you to think about it outside of your ideal client. So when I think about myself, I am a revenue and business acceleration expert. This is what I do. I'm going to help you accelerate your business. I'm going to help you accelerate your revenues. That's what I do, right?